You have to on the machine here. As soon as you on the machine, it says 0. Let me show you. It counts in 4 seconds, 100 notes. The count is 100. There are 4 modes in this. There is add function, auto function, manual function and start function. This is right now on an auto mode. As soon as you insert the bundle, it starts the machine. We also have manual mode. When you press start, it will start. Okay, let me show you the free function. As soon as you insert the notes, it counts and it releases the flap. In check function, if I insert these notes, let me insert 2 notes less and insert. It says the count is 98 and it didn't release the flap because the count should have been 100 but it is 98, so it's beeping and it's saying the count is 98. So manually you can release the flap by pressing the reset button. But in free function, it will just count the notes and release the flap irrespective of whether it is 100 or not. Let me show you. Let me insert these 3 notes less. It counted, the note were 97 and the flap is released. You can release the notes from the machine. Let me show you the other functions also. There is check function, batch function and free function. When you press batch, you can change the mode from here. There is a mode button. When you press mode, it goes to free, it goes to check, it goes to batch. If you want to remove some 50 notes out of these or 45, you just press 45 here and insert the notes. As soon as it counts 45, it will stop and it will say your 45 is here. If you want to change, you can change from here 55. So this is 55 here, this part. We have an add function also. If